Hello everyone, today I'm going to be putting an add-on upgrade kit on Transformers Legacy Evolution Trench Metal to Dragon Megatron. And I'm basically going to tell you what you're going to need to do, because I had to have a time trying to find a video on how to do this. I essentially just pretty much figured it out on my own, because videos showed basically putting the kit on, but it didn't actually showing him, or he didn't show the steps and stuff that you had to do exactly. He just talked about what you had to do instead of showing. So first of all, what you want to do is unscrew both these sections and take this out, and then pop this off. You undo both of the screws, which I've already pre-done before, and then take this piece and put it in here, which the reason why it looks like that, because in the original video that I did, which was almost 23 minutes long, I had a hell of a hard time with this, because, and I'm going to point this out, it was so thick in here with the resin, because I'm pretty sure this is 3D printed, along with the paint that was in here, which you can still see a little bit right there, that it not only got stuck in this, but it was so tight that it was ridiculous. Absolutely fucking ridiculous. At some point, I had stopped the video, well, stopped recording, because it was just taking way too long, and I was struggling with it. And I'm not joking when I say it took me an hour and a half just to get this damn thing off. And as you see, so I used pliers. I was slowly going at it, twisting it, slowly trying to get it off of here. And during the process of doing that, it just took the paint off, which came off just way too easy. And what I did was take this screwdriver, I lined it up with some sandpaper for the length, and then I just tore off the same length that I needed, put it around the screwdriver like this, then put it inside of here, and just like this, till I got the layer paint off and a few layers, small layers of the resin off. So now it's able to go on here with ease, and not like that, but go up and down. Well, it's not too loose, it's not too tight, it's right. Also, before I do this, I want to try this. It comes with this piece that you're supposed to put on the old tail, but I find that it's just too loose. This one fits just right on. I wonder what would happen if you put this on. Yeah, that actually explains it. Anyway, put this here. Put the screws back. Do the this off camera real quick. Okay, there's the first one. And the second one's a pain in the ass. Then, afterwards, oops, go ahead and put this back there. So I actually made a mistake when I went to go put this on earlier. Just to see how everything would turn out. So I ended up putting this in this way when it's supposed to be this way. And as a result, it was not mine staying here. It kept popping out. I'm going to turn that around first. And in the case of this, I think what I'm just going to do is I'm going to tighten that because that's just a little too tight. Okay, there. What I'm going to do is when I get another one, when I eventually get another copy of this to make into a custom Cryotech, I'm just going to give him this and paint it and then get a secondary one and then repeat what I did with it, especially with that one section with the sandpapers. I do not want to have a repeat of that. That was very frustrating. Also, you think it would already come able to fit on there, and you shouldn't really have to sand it down, just be able to get it on there so it's not so tight like that. That should have already been adjusted to fit on there, but it wasn't, which honestly that's a major flaw on designer's part, because that could result in, well, break, the one area that's supposed to go into, which was something I was actually afraid I was going to end up doing the entire time. I was trying to take that piece back off. Right there. Oh, it's back on. Okay. I was supposed to go on here. How? Oh, wait. Pretty sure that's supposed to go like that. Okay, that's supposed to go in chest. Then the legs go back here. That one's always been a pain in the ass. No, okay, now I see that and it goes back in. Now, there's a new tail, which I actually like how it's longer. Also, that edge came off too easily. Can move this, which that's something I think it should have originally been able to do, so that I could grab onto the Maximals and other Predacons. Oh yeah, that's better. And then now you've also got this, which I don't know. I kind of want to put some, like maybe some glue or something in there to help, but get it to stay more. I don't like how loose that is. Yeah, that's it. Let's say that actually looks pretty damn good. With his new tail. I love how it's longer. Wait, he's got a couple, 2 more of these than usually has. Plus it's thicker. Like it's, yeah, let me move the one out of the way. It's like a little, well, not thicker, but bulkier. I think maybe not. I think it's a little bit bulkier. Still, it's got, see that, it's equivalent to that one. Yeah, see, so 2 more. Still, I love it. I can really get some length with it, and also grab others. And it's currently raining. Okay, well, that's gonna be it for now. Next video, well, I'm finally gonna get around to setting something I've been putting off for a while. So till then, see you next time.